Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Today we are here with another topic, that is types of sentences. In this video we will discuss about various types of sentences with some particular examples so that you will become familiar about these types. So far as types of sentences is concerned, we know that we have got different types of sentences on the basis of message which they want to convey, and here we need to know that the type of sentence, it is determined by the number and the type of clauses it contains. How many types of clauses are there and which type of clauses are there in a sentence. On that basis we classify different sentences. The first sentence, that is simple sentence. So far as a simple sentence is concerned, it conveys a single idea and it has only one subject and one verb. So a simple sentence is a sentence which conveys a single idea and which contains only one subject and has only one verb. I have cited an example for you. He is my friend. I am bored. That is a fat monkey. So these are different simple sentences. They have just one verb and they contain only one subject. The next one is, that is complex sentence. A complex sentence has one independent clause and at least one dependent clause. The independent clause is called the main clause and the dependent clause is called the subordinate clause. So these clauses in a complex sentence, they are joined by conjunctions which include as, if, even if, because, unless. So we came to know that a complex sentence, it has at least one dependent clause. The dependent clause, it is called the main clause, the independent clause, and the dependent clause, it is called the subordinate clause. And these clauses, they are joined by conjunctions. We have got as, if, even if, because, unless. These are different conjunctions which join these clauses in a complex sentence. For example, as she is bigly, I stay away from her. So we have got two clauses. I will do it if I have the time. So this is the complex sentence. Then the next one is compound sentence. So far as compound sentence is concerned, it is composed of at least two clauses or sentences joined together by conjunction. For example, we have got and, but, for, nor, or, so, therefore, either, or, neither, nor, not, only. So these different conjunctions, they join different clauses in a compound sentence. And a compound sentence, that consists of at least two independent clauses. It should have two independent clause or main clauses and verbs. The subordinate clause, or which we call the dependent clause, may or may not be present in a compound sentence. So it is possible for a compound sentence to have 3 or 4 or more independent clauses, but commonly we see that it contains only 2 clauses. We have got examples. First example for you: I am skinny and you are obese. You see, these are different sentences. I am skinny, you are obese. We can write it: I am skinny, you are obese. And these are connected, joined by and. Two main clauses joined by a conjunction. Then the next one is I know that you know. I know you know. Joined by what? I know what you know. So main clause I know, subordinate clause what you know. Then next is I always tell you what I know, but you never tell me what you know. So the last example, it shows a sentence with two main clauses and two subordinate clauses. So we have got I always tell you what I know. You never tell me what you know. So joined by but, and we see here becomes a sentence. I always tell you what I know, but you never tell me what you know. Then the last one, it is compound complex sentence. A compound complex sentence has at least two independent clauses and at least one dependent clause. So it has two independent clauses and one dependent clause. Example, we have got although the car is old, it still runs well and we intend to keep it. We have got this dependent clause, independent clause and independent clause. So it runs well and we intend to keep it. They are both independent clauses. And we have got although the car is old, it is a dependent clause. So when they are found in a single sentence, we have got a compound complex sentence. So now taking a quick review of the four types of sentences, we came to know that we have got simple sentence, compound sentence, complex sentence, compound complex sentence. So quickly you will remember a simple sentence is which has got one independent clause. Another example for you, the dog barks. Compound sentence, two independent clauses separated by we know simply semicolon, comma or conjunction. The pirate captain lost the treasure map, but he still found the buried treasure. Complex sentence, one independent clause and one or more dependent clauses. Because the soup was too cold, I warmed it in the microwave. Then the last one, that is compound complex sentence. It has got two independent clauses and one or more dependent clauses. We have got an example. Though Michael enjoys watching comedies, he rented the latest spy thriller and he enjoyed it very much. So this was something about types of sentences. Hope that you will enjoy this video and will find it helpful. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.